Namaste and welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. This is the first in our series of 5-minute videos. So I'll show you how to make a tasty snack which you can use for breakfast or a lunchbox or an anytime tea time snack too. Here I have taken some homemade curd and removed the water so that we can take only the thick portion of the curd. Say about 1/4 cup you can take. To this I am adding a tablespoon of chopped tomatoes, finely chopped onions, finely chopped cabbage, grated carrot, grated cucumber, finely chopped capsicum. Mix all these well together. Just add a little bit of salt. This is pepper and roasted jeera powder. Again mix everything well together and keep ready. Spread some butter on a slice. Here I have some green chutney with coriander, mint leaves and green chilies, salt and a little bit of lemon juice. Now place this filling on it. Now cover with another slice of bread. Use any round shape cutter, even if you have a steel glass like this, it's fine, steel tumbler, and cut it into a round shape like this. Don't need to waste this, you can collect it. Another day we can make a bread upma also with this, so you can keep this aside. Similarly we will make with the remaining bread slices also. Heat a tawa. Just a few drops of ghee I am adding. If you have butter, you can use butter also. Today I am using ghee for this. Then place these slices on top like this. One side is done. Gently lift it over and flip it like this. Now add another few drops of ghee all around and cook the other side too. When both the sides are nicely done and crispy, we can remove it. Fry it over a low flame. Don't keep it high because it might get burnt. So do it over a low flame. So your tasty nutritious breakfast with some tomato ketchup is ready. We have seen how to serve this for breakfast. Now if you want to pack it for our lunch box, a good way is to use this Audi Unwraps paper foil because this is grease proof and eco-friendly too. Just tear out how much ever you need. See, just simply pack the sandwich like this and keep it in the lunch box. See, this way it won't be greasy and a lovely simple and easy way to pack your food. This is a grease proof and non-sticky food wrapping paper. You can do like this. If you like, I can give you the link in the description box. Now the same recipe, let's see how to make it as a tea time snack. Maybe you have guests coming home or when your children or you yourself come back home from work. Keep the sandwiches like this. Then here I have some sweet chutney. I will give you the link in the description box. I have already shown this earlier on my channel. Pour some sweet chutney on top. This has jaggery, dates and some tamarind in it. And also a little bit of this green chutney on top. And whatever namkeen crispy snack you have at home, whether it can be save, papdi, whatever you have. Sprinkle it on top and serve it as a tasty chaat. Those who like can even add some curd on top to make it as a dahi chaat. We mothers are very innovative, so we can transform a simple recipe and make different kinds of options to please everyone at home. Thank you for watching the video. We'll meet again with another episode.